Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how to crochet a simple flower baby headband. I am using a 3.5 mm crochet hook and this yarn ball. This is a soft 3-ply yarn. So let's get started. First of all, wrap the yarn around the crochet hook and start making chains. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, chain 7, chain 8, chain 9 and then chain 10. So in this way make total of 40 chains first. So I have made total 40 chains. Now we would start making flower. Make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 and the last one is chain 4. Now go into this fourth chain and make a double crochet stitch. Pull the yarn through 2 loops first and then pull the yarn through 2 loops. So this is our hole where we would make our flower. So make chain 1 and chain 2, wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this ring which we have made and make a double crochet into this ring. Now make double crochet 2 into this ring, make chain 1 and then chain 2 and make a slip stitch into this ring. So this is our first petal. Make chain 1 and chain 2 again, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the ring, make chain 1 and chain 2, go into this ring and make a slip stitch. So this is our second petal. Make chain 1 and then chain 2 again, go into the ring and make 2 double crochet stitches, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2, make 2 chains and make a slip stitch into the ring, make chain 1 and then chain 2 again and make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the ring, make 2 chains and make a slip stitch into this ring, make 2 chains again and make 2 double crochet stitches into the ring and then make 2 chains again and make a slip stitch into this ring. So now 5 petals of the flower are ready. Now make chain 1, chain 2, make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4 for making ring, and go into this fourth chain and make a double crochet stitch. Now we would make a flower into this ring again. Make sure that you have 2 chains between these flowers. So now make double crochet 1, then double crochet 2 chains, and make a slip stitch into the ring. So this is our first petal for the second flower. Now make chain 1 and then chain 2 again. Go into this ring and make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. Make 2 chains again and make a slip stitch into the ring. Make 3 more petals of the flower. So I have completed these petals. Now make chain 1 and then chain 2, and for the ring make 4 chains, and after these 4 chains make a double crochet into the 4th chain to form a ring, and make 3rd flower into this ring. So make 2 chains and make a double crochet into the ring, and then make 2nd double crochet into the ring, make 2 chains and then make a slip stitch into this ring. So in this way make other petals. Total of 5 petals we would make in each flower, and you can make more flowers like this. I would make only 3 flowers. So complete these petals. I have completed these petals. So now you would make chains again. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, chain 7, chain 8, chain 9, and then chain 10. Make 30 more chains. So I have made more 30 chains. Now we have total of 40 chains right here, and we have 40 chains in the starting also. You can increase or decrease the number of chains if you want to make this headband bigger or smaller, and this headband is for all sizes. Now make a knot at both ends of this headband. Now make a knot at the other end also, and the headband is ready. Now cut these extra yarn strands. So if you like this super fast and easy headband, then just give this video a huge thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials on random stuff. So thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of yourself and family. Bye.